Yeah, yeah. We back in it. Ho, is you daft? I'm just gonna master my craft. I got my team at my side, controlling the tide, and you in a raft. No grip on your path, you hit for the ride, but know you might crash. I know you won't try it, yes I did the math. You're not trying to clash, and I have to laugh.
Yo! Welcome back, man. We're watching Epic Ring Dingers Chiropractic Compilation. This one should be a good one. I've been a little sore. Pause. But you know, I do need some, like, maybe I can do this stuff on myself without cutting me. But yeah, let's check out this video, man. Let's see. Go back a little bit.
She's not kicking too good before the adjustment, so we'll see how she does afterwards. And let's see. Well, she's still not kicking a lot.
Oof.
Okay, so put your hands on your tummy.
Well, I thought that was a girl.
Okay. Now, I want you just to breathe through your nose. Make sure you keep your teeth together and closed.
I thought. Oh!
Yes, sir.
I thought we was doing the legs.
Well, good.
Man, would y'all do this? That one just looked like you'll pull off their head.
Teeth together. Breathe through your nose.
I'll mess around, bite my teeth off.
Got one more. Had to do a double dinger on you today.
A double dinger? What is he doing right there in the gut? Oh, okay. I thought that was one of them too.
I know. I hear that all the time. You know what tried is, right?
Are these all ring dingers?
You know, like Yoda says, do not try, do. There we go.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Oh my God!
Keep breathing. Look at there. You're still kicking. You're all right.
Oh my God, my spine.
Yep.
Oh, it's a spine.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you're gonna be a
You saw, yo, look at her eyes. Yo, why her eyes? Their eyes shot straight back to the top. Hey, yo.
Yeah, you're gonna be a crack addict's dream. Okay, now keep your teeth together.
It's something about
Breathe through your nose.
get my head jerked back. Pause.
Oh my
Never happened. But I just feel like that wouldn't feel so good.
That's a wow adjustment. Good job.
Oh,
This is passion for real. He just like cracking. He just like. That's crazy.
We're gonna do this nice and smooth for Martha. Exhale. There you go.
Martha.
Ay, doctor, me mató. Ayúdame, doctor.
Yo, look at how he's watching, bro, in the back. Hey, yo. He's like, Mom, you straight, bro? I don't like when you sound like that.
Scar tissue that develops.
Nah, Martha felt that one. Nah, I gotta go back, bro.
That just is breaking loose those old fibrotic adhesions and scar tissue
Yo, bro didn't give no warning. He talking through it, and then he didn't say nothing.
that develops in there. Okay. There you go. Here, let me have you, honey.
He does it so quick too, like your neck really break.
There you go. Good girl.
Good girl. Hey, yo. That's crazy. He freaky, bro.
Okay. I'm gonna have you breathe through your nose. Keep your teeth together.
I would at least want somebody to be there with. Oh, that looked like her neck extended like at least 5 centimeters. But I would want somebody to be there with me because, like, what if this is my last day there? Like, you know what I'm saying? My last day at the chiropractor.
There we go. Yeah. Now you should have felt that all the way down your spine. Did you? You're still kicking. You're all right.
He probably is very deadly and lethal. Oh no, they're to do that.
There you go. Put your hands on your tummy and relax. Let me have your head. There you go. Good girl. Good job.
Oh nah.
Which is really counterproductive
A brother?
for physiological function.
He mastered
Just
the.
like that. Good job. It's getting easier.
No, no, no.
Even though that might look like it really hurts, it's great. Okay, we're gonna put this under your skull. And your
Even this
chin.
position is just wild in itself.
Breath through your nose. And just relax and exhale.
Oh
Yep.
no, that's 40 years of pain in there.
You feel that all the way down, Richard?
Oh, man.
To your toes?
Oh man.
Hang on 1 second.
He said do your toes, bro. This doctor freaky, bro. This chiropractor, not a doctor. I don't think.
Let me have you kind of tilt right a little. Look at that. Same here. You've got a lot of.
Oh,
Bro has too much power in his hands. He really in somebody right there, bro. He probably be, imagine he like no kung fu on the side or something.
Tissue and fibrotic adhesions down in there and in and around where you had that fusion done. So there, this under your skull. Okay, Carrie.
I know this was gonna be the same type each time, but still.
Teeth together.
Oh.
Be like David, bite your tongue.
Oh, that feels good.
Yep. That is good, isn't it? I mean, a lot of people really want to know what this is like the first time or two that you have this. So when we get done, I'll let you tell them what this feels like.
This is the worst part to me because it looked like he do it different angles each time.
You're gonna be a crack addict's favorite. Because normally the pins are locking in your pelvis here to stop you from moving. I get all the movement in your spine. But I still.
I can't prove it yet, but I know he a freak.
With the high velocity.
Oh my. Bro almost dragged him off the table. And look at him holding his pelvis. That's where he was holding, right? Right?
Adjustment.
That was really,
Yeah.
that was
Now look,
unique.
what did he move? About 2 feet?
Yeah, that was unique though. That was a lot different.
Do you feel it all the way down still?
Yeah.
Yep.
It-
Watch out for his wife.
yeah, that was extraordinary.
If he has a wife. Or husband.
Towel is being wrapped around his occiput and his mandible. Okay, just breathe normal. Oh yeah.
Oh no, that one hit.
Sir.
But
And
You know what I'm
that's
saying?
why we call it ring dinger. You felt that all the way down.
the ring dinger. That's why they call it the ring dinger.
Okay. Oh yeah. Drop this one right in my hand here. There we go. Got it. Good job.
I don't know if I would want my neck gripped up like that.
You should have felt that from your skull all the way down to your pelvis, did you?
I felt that down my soul.
That's hey yo.
Yeah, just breathe through your nose.
Wake up in the morning and say, oh, that one looked like.
I went ahead and
Ooh, I like popping my neck, but after this, I might take a little breather.
table. Go ahead and slide back down. Did you feel that all the way down still?
Yeah,
Good.
that's money.
That's the money shot.
The money shot. Are we for real? What kind of terminology we using, bro?
Your head right for me. Perfect.
No warning.
Left.
Ah.
That's it. Boy.
Why he throw that slick little? That's it, boy. Boy. Boy.
Not gonna get away.
I don't think I'm gonna get
Well, she's not
Bro.
kicking too good before the adjustment, so we'll see how she does afterwards.
I think I might need one because I don't think I really be kicking when they hit my knees. Y'all ever fake the kick before?
And she's just gonna breathe normal. I'll catch her. Just like that.
Oh,
Did you feel that all the way down?
her face. You can see in her face.
And let's see. Well, she's still not kicking a lot.
Yeah, that's pretty intense for me.
Okay, drop this one in my hand. That's it. Oh yeah.
Oof. No, that. Wait. Oh, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Oh, yeah. The ring dinger.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You feel that all the way down? Richard?
Yeah, all the way down.
Look at there.
Is this his second time? That's where I seen do it before.
Okay, let me have you kind of tilt your ear to your left shoulder, just like that.
Oh.
Oh.
Right. There you go. Now, there we go. Okay, I got got you in there good and tight this afternoon, Tony. Just breathe normal. Yes, sir.
Oh, Tony.
Oh, boy.
No, that one really felt that one.
Bloody hell.
Bro, I wonder if you can make me a little bit taller with this.
You felt that one deeper?
so much.
Slide down just a little bit for me if you can. There
What is he
you go.
doing with his hand? Oh, that's the grippers. On the side grippers.
Yeah.
But he's still kicking, folks. Okay, relax this in my hand. I think Tony's spine, out of the hundreds of thousands of spines that I have adjusted in my 36-year career,
Hundreds of thousands of spines, bro. He's not just talking about chiropractic. He's a freak, bro. I can't. It's something about the way he's talking. I'm telling y'all. He might really get down for real.
Tony's spine has to be one of the most complex.
What?
I'm just gonna get your hair out of the way. Now just breathe through your nose easily. You don't need to take deep ones and just relax your hands on your tummy.
Oh.
There we go. Keep breathing. There we go. Keep breathing.
And then he be talking them through it, bro. Come on, bro. Come
I
on.
know it's a little traumatic on the first one.
It's
Because
painful, but
we're
it feels
breaking
good.
scar tissue loose down there in your low back lumbosacral region. That's probably where you're getting a lot of your radiculopathy from. Yeah, just relax.
I don't know what that
your
means.
hands here.
Radiculopathy? Kind of look that up.
That a girl. Good job.
That a girl. Do y'all hear this? Am I tripping?
Okay, nice easy breath. Keep your teeth together. Oh yeah. Now you should have felt that.
No,
all
3,
the
2,
way
1, no, nothing.
That is no joke.
down. Nope, you're still kicking. You're good. That's true. Oh yeah. Smooth as silk. She's a lot better than a lot of the big men. She didn't scream a bit.
The big men be screaming. Pause.
There we go. Now let me have your neck. Just like that. Perfect. She's a little camera shy, so. Okay. Just keep your teeth together on this one. And just put your hands right here and relax. Pray.
You said pray.
Oh my god.
No, no, no. How you gonna tell me pray right before you do the ring dinger on me, bro? How you gonna tell me pray? And you don't even give me no time to pray, no countdown. You just go ahead and ring ding my neck.
Now keep your teeth together and just breathe through your nose. And just like that. Yep.
Some of these people got some pent up. You know what I'm saying?
Through your nose and out through your mouth. You're still kicking. You're good. Keep breathing though. I know that's sore.
He been practicing that line though. He really got it down packed in his 36 years of 100,000 backs.
There you go. I know that's tender. That'll take that pinching off that nerve though. Let your head go in my hand here now. There you go. Let me have you.
Let me have you.
So, I still got one here. I want you to tilt your right ear to your right shoulder. That's better. Okay.
That's better.
Chiropractor, her and Jeremy's chiropractor up in Washington State, Dr. Dam. There we go. Boy, that was a full tilt, Diva.
Yeah, Neva. She looked shocked after that. Still attached. That was pretty funny, actually.
Boy.
What's this guy's name?
Much more
No, hers are clean. Hers are
solid
clean.
than this morning's even. But then Renee made up for it this afternoon. There we go. Yes, sir.
Oh.
I know you felt that all the way
Oh
down.
man, that's
That's
No,
all
you felt that all the way down.
definitely makes your head
Oh.
roll.
And Justin is the product engineer, and he said it was fine if I dropped the pins. It wasn't going to hurt him. I mean, these things are
Still
heavy.
kicking.
These things are heavy.
Yeah, they're
I mean,
8
so
pounds
I'm not
apiece.
going to bend over and lay it down softly every time.
It's not gonna hurt.
You hear that? He says it's not going to hurt him. There you go.
Oh, he ready.
I mean, they're
Oh,
made out
no,
of
that one, look, he little flinched a little bit on that one.
So you're gonna feel this sweat telling
Another
your
brother.
skull and your chin. Keep your teeth together. Take a breath through your nose.
Nice polo, nice watch.
Just like that. Now you should
No.
There you go. You're still kicking.
No.
That's why we call it ring dinger. Okay, now I'm gonna adjust your neck, so just let your head relax in my hand.
Nah, this gonna hit him.
Oh, God.
You don't even say.
Here, put your hands right
You didn't
here
even
on
say. Let him gather
your
himself.
left big toe and think about something else. There you go.
Oh, God.
Yes, sir. You didn't know you were that noisy, did you?
You didn't know you were that noisy. What is he talking about?
Let all your air out and relax. Did you feel that all the way down?
No,
Did you feel it all the way
I don't really
down
like
there?
that.
Okay.
I do not like
Yeah,
that.
see, he's still kicking. He's fine. Okay. I think Francis's review is one of the best 5-star reviews we've ever gotten. There we go. Super. Felt that all the way
Super.
down, didn't you?
Felt that all the way down.
I didn't leave anything
If I
in there.
ever get one of these, they can't talk to me like that. Like, oh, like, you know what I'm saying?
No, don't go away yet.
Yes, sir.
I still got to do the Palmer diversified rotary brake on you. Yep.
Palmer diversified rotary
Just
brake.
like that.
Nah, he know what he talk about. You know what I'm saying? The Palmer diversified rotary brake on you. On you. He slipped that in there. Like, he's like, yeah, I really know what I'm talking about. I really know what I'm talking about. Y'all better watch out for Dr. Ringdinger, bro.
Perfect.
Or chiropractor Dr. Ringdinger. Wow. Man, that was a quick little video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed. It was pretty good. I still don't know if I would do this, but I'll probably test it out on my like family members, see how that works. But yeah. Thanks for joining.
Ain't friends, we ain't buds. Tough luck, yeah, I'm different than I was. Puff, puff, I'm just looking for a buzz. Up, up, and away I go. We ain't friends, we ain't buds. Tough luck, yeah, I'm different than I was.